Come test drive the 2019 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, trip computer, heated front driver and passenger seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.